How to Make Good Things Happen, Know Your Brain, Enhance Your Life by Marian Rojas Estapé is a self-help book that explores the relationship between our brain and our overall well-being. In the first half of the book, Estapé introduces key concepts and strategies to improve our lives by understanding and harnessing the power of our brains. The book begins by emphasizing the importance of self-awareness. Estapé explains that by becoming aware of our own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, we can gain better control over them and make positive changes. She delves into the science of the brain, explaining how its different regions and neurotransmitters influence our thoughts and actions. Estapé also explores the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire and adapt. She highlights that our brains are not fixed entities and that we can actively shape and rewire them through intentional practices. The author encourages readers to engage in activities that promote neuroplasticity, such as learning new skills, seeking novel experiences, and challenging ourselves. Furthermore, Estapé discusses the impact of stress on our well-being. She explains how chronic stress can negatively affect our physical and mental health, and provides strategies for managing and reducing stress. The author emphasizes the importance of self-care, including techniques such as mindfulness, relaxation exercises, and maintaining healthy habits. Another key aspect covered in the first half of the book is the role of emotions in our lives. Estapé highlights the importance of recognizing and understanding our emotions, as well as learning how to regulate them effectively. She provides practical advice on emotional intelligence, including strategies for improving self-awareness, empathy, and interpersonal relationships. Additionally, the author addresses the concept of happiness and how it is linked to our brain's chemistry. Estapé explores the neurotransmitters associated with happiness, such as serotonin and dopamine, and suggests various ways to increase their levels naturally. She emphasizes the significance of positive thinking, gratitude, and social connections in promoting happiness. In the second half, the focus shifts towards practical techniques and exercises that can help readers optimize their brain and improve their overall well-being. One of the key areas explored in this part of the book is the importance of positive habits. Estapé explains how our brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain, and how this natural tendency can be harnessed to create positive habits. She introduces the concept of habit loops and provides strategies for developing and reinforcing positive routines that can lead to long-term success and happiness. The author also delves into the topic of decision-making and how our brain processes information to make choices. Estapé explores the role of cognitive biases and heuristics that can influence our decision-making process, often leading to suboptimal outcomes. She offers practical advice on how to recognize and overcome these biases, enabling readers to make better decisions in various aspects of their lives. Furthermore, Estapé emphasizes the importance of fostering meaningful relationships and social connections for our well-being. She explores the neuroscience behind social interactions and explains how our brain is wired for connection. The author provides guidance on building and maintaining healthy relationships, including effective communication techniques, empathy, and understanding. The second half of the book also addresses the significance of purpose and meaning in our lives. Estapé highlights the role of our brain's reward system in seeking purpose and fulfillment. She guides readers through a process of self-reflection to identify their values, passions, and goals, and offers strategies for aligning their actions with their sense of purpose. Additionally, the author delves into the concept of resilience and the importance of cultivating a resilient mindset. Estapé explains how our brains can adapt and recover from adversity, and she provides techniques for building resilience, such as reframing negative experiences, practicing self-compassion, and developing a growth mindset. In summary, the second half of How to Make Good Things Happen, Know Your Brain, Enhance Your Life delves into practical techniques and exercises that readers can implement to optimize their brain and enhance their overall well-being. It explores positive habits, effective decision-making, building meaningful relationships, finding purpose, and developing resilience. By applying these strategies, readers can create a more fulfilling and rewarding life. Thanks for watching.